In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of creating your ChatGPT account. So to do that, you'll need to first open up your web browser and search for chat.openai.com, which will straight take you to the login or sign up page of ChatGPT. Through this interface, just click on sign up. Now you can either sign up using your email address, your Google account, or your Microsoft account. Pick your option. For this video, I'm going to use my email address. Type in your email address and click on continue. In the next step, you'll need to type in the password. So create a password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. And once you create your password, click on continue. Currently, it's giving me an error which says currently sign up is not available. But by the time you're signing up, if you click on continue, in the next step, you just need to type in your phone number. So you'll need to select your country code and type in your phone number. And then you'll receive a code on the phone number that you entered. You just need to type in the code that you received on your phone number and your account of ChatGPT will be successfully created. So that's the quick process of creating your account of ChatGPT. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.